In this video, you will learn how to format student paper according to APA 7th edition guidelines. I have opened a student paper. So firstly, you will open your Word document. And if this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel. Let's start on the formatting of this paper. Firstly, go to select all option and select all. Now go to insert option and insert page number according to APA 7th style. For that purpose, go to page number option, and here you will find the option of top of page and select plan number 3. Now you can see here the page number is inserted on whole paper. According to APA 7th guideline, there is no need for running title in student paper, so avoid that one. And if the instructor issues some guideline, you can follow that. Secondly, again go to the select option. I will select all and go to layout option. From here I will adjust the margin. The guidelines says that the normal should be 1 inch on 4th side, top, left, bottom and right. It is already selected, so I will just click here. Now go to home tab and in paragraph section select this arrow key, and from here I will select line spacing double, and I will check this option, don't add space between paragraph of the same style. It is the guidelines of APA 7th. Click on OK. Now I will adjust the font size. I will select Time New Romans and 12 point. You can select other font size. Guidelines are given here. For example, a variety of fonts are permitted in APA style. You can see here 11 point Calibri, 11 point Arial. These are all the acceptable format. So you can select any one of these. Now firstly we will create the title page. For that purpose, type your title and the title should be in center. Make sure that the first letter of your title is in capital and it is bold. Click here and at least insert 4 space blank lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now click here and press a blank line. Now write your name, and this should not be bold. As you can see here, if there are more than one author, you can write and write the name of second author. For example, Tahir Mahmood. In this document I want only single line, so I will remove this one. If you want to add another author, you can put comma here and write another author. In this example, I just want to mention one name, so I will remove other two names. Next, write your department name. For example, here I write Department of Physiology, the George Washington University. In next line, you will provide the information about course. For example, course code is STAT 701 put colon and write name of course, for example experimental statistic. Then press enter again and write your due date, for example October 10. put comma and write year. Additionally, you will also mention the instructor name here. Now scroll down, place your cursor here, put enter and go to insert section and click on this page break option. In APA 7th guideline, there is no need to insert a abstract section, so I have skipped that one. If your instructor guided that you should insert the abstract section, then you can insert that section here, otherwise you can skip that section. After that, write the title, and this title should be in center and bold. That is already selected. So next, start your main body of the paper. Here is the first paragraph. Make sure that the first line of each paragraph have tab space which is indented 0.5. Secondly, you can see here I have selected the align left option for every paragraph and don't justify these paragraphs. This should appear like this one. Now I will scroll down. Again, I will click here and insert tab space according to APA 7th guidelines. Click here, insert tab space. Now there are also instruction regarding headings. This is the first level headings. Firstly, I will remove it. Make sure that the first letter of heading should be in capital. So I should be capital. Secondly, select this and center. I have formatted according to guideline of APA 7th. You can see here the first heading should be centered, bold and title case. Title case means the first letter of each word should be capital. Exceptions are there for prepositions. Secondly, the rules for second level headings is flash left, bold, title case heading. So we will format according to that. That is already aligned left and title cased, and we will just bold it. Now I will scroll down, and here is third level heading. The role of third level headings are given here. Flash left, bold, italic, title case heading. So it is already title case, and on the left hand side, so that's okay. Now we have to bold and italic this. Select bold and italic for third level of headings. Similarly, you can follow the guidelines in rest of your research article or your paper. Now I will scroll down, and you can format the headings according to instruction as I earlier explained. At the end of your research paper, you will find the option of reference section. Before reference section, click here, press enter and go to insert and insert page break, because reference section should appear on a separate page. I remove extra space. Now select reference, it should be in center and bold. Now you can see here is a reference and these are not alphabetically arranged. Firstly, make sure your references are alphabetically arranged. Select these references. And from here you will find the option of sort. Click here, sort by paragraph and text, and I will select ascending. Click OK. These references will be arranged alphabetically. Now in paragraph option, click here, and in indentation you will find the option of special. From here you will select hanging option and make sure line spacing should be double and don't add space between paragraph of the same style. This option is checked. After that, click OK. Now you can see here that our references are formatting according to the APA 7th guidelines. So that's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.